Yeah, just tell him to come and collect his jacket. It's been 18 months now. He ain't gonna solve that one. OK. What's he saying now?
Pretty much what you expect from a 13-year-old, favourite pet, stuff like that. Why don't you say to him, my dad won't let me have one?
He hasn't left for work yet.
I still think we should just nick him now, go and save us a whole load of bother.
I thought we were clear on this. We still need the other side of the evidential chain. I want to know exactly what we're dealing with. Is he part of a wider network or a lone wolf?
Or just some sad git who likes to chat with 13-year-olds.
Well, Nigel Wren's more than that. If that girl's parents hadn't found out that she was sending pictures...
Look, all I'm saying is we can't go around covertly searching the homes of every Tom, Dick and Harry we think might be paedophiles, that's all.
With respect, Sarge, this guy's MO is extremely predatory. He poses as a 13-year-old girl, Ginny, who says she's done lots of sexy stuff with her older sister's boyfriend.
And these girls have no idea they're talking to a 30-year-old decorator.
Unless we get the evidence to lock him away, he'll go to ground where he'll be a much bigger danger.
Well, so signed authorities come through.
Right, well, there you go. That settles it. As soon as you can, go in and we'll have this debate later on.
Go.
Look...